So, hey guys, what's up? This is another section of my India trip. So, in this one, we're going to be talking about the experiment I did on the airplane. So basically what I did, I took a chips packet and I put it on the airplane. So what I wanted to see happen is it to rise up and inflate, and when it comes down for it to deflate, hopefully crush. But I didn't get those exact results, but I got results that prove that it's possible. And on the first flight, I tried not to poke a hole in it and just to leave it normally. I made sure there was no holes by pressing it and listening that there was no air. On the next flight, since I started connecting, I poke a hole in it, but that didn't really work out well. So you'll see how it inflated and deflated when we get down. Let's get straight into it. So for the first flight, since I'm connecting, the first one we're not going to poke a hole in it and see if it works. If it works, then we won't do it on the next flight. If it doesn't, then we'll poke a hole on the next flight to America. To test it, we have just bent it so that we can see if this tip rises, then you'll know that it expanded. That's our way of telling to see when we go up. And when we come down, we expect it to crush. So we've been here for only 5 minutes and you can already see a difference. It's already starting to inflate. There's a lot less red than before. Let's see what happens once we reach max elevation. So now you can see that it's really inflating. Now this is highly noticeable and we did not touch it at all. It's just been sitting here and let's see what happens when we reach max elevation. And hopefully when we come down it'll crush. Now it is inflated even more. This is going to be so cool. I thought you needed a hole, but apparently you don't. Or there may be a little hole. But I don't think so because there weren't any leaks when you pressed it. Let's see what happens. So now we are at peak altitude. You can see it's highly inflated and it's kind of tough. When you press it, it's a lot tougher than before. But you can see that it's really getting inflated. This is very cool. Now we are beginning the descent. This is quite a bit softer than before, especially in these areas. Let's see what happens once we get down. Now this bag of chips, just cut them fast. Now it's softer than what it was before. Either it's softer or it's the same, but it's certainly decreased than when we were at peak. Now the bag of chips has come to its normal state, but it seems like there's just a bit less pressure inside. It seems a bit softer than before. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!